Thank you for joining us for Tasty Tuesday on the Sun Devil Fitness Complex YouTube. My name is Jennifer and I'm a nutrition educator. And today I'll be showing you how to make spooky strawberries. This is our final product and here's what you'll need.
1 to 2 cartons of fresh strawberries.
1 bag of white chocolate chips.
1 bag of dark chocolate chips. 2
microwave safe mixing bowls.
A metal fork and spoon.
Ziploc sandwich size bags.
Scissors.
Toothpicks.
Paper baking cups.
A baking sheet.
And candy eyeballs.
Let's get into the video. Okay, first thing you want to do in this recipe is to rinse your strawberries and pat them dry. So I have that already done right here. Next, we're going to take our baking sheet and line it with some wax paper or parchment paper, whichever. Next, we are going to open up our chocolate. I found some chocolate at Fry's that was specially made for candy coating. Just plain white chocolate chips will work just as well. So I'm going to break this chocolate into small pieces and put it into a microwave safe container. It's good to use something that's kind of tall like this. That way it'll be easier to dip the strawberry. Alright. I'm going to put this in the microwave in 30-second increments. You want to do 30 seconds just because chocolate, once it does melt down, can burn really easily. And once it's burnt, you really can't use it. After each 30 seconds, you kind of want to move it around and see if you can stir the chocolate. Looks like I'm going to put this in for another 30 seconds. Alright, I microwaved it for another 30 seconds. And now I'm able to stir. The second you're able to stir the chocolate and have it nice and creamy and smooth, it's ready for dipping. Okay. You can see here, it's kind of got the consistency of pudding. So I'll take my strawberry by the top, dip, swirl around a bit, let it drip off, and place it anywhere you'd like on the wax paper or parchment paper. And I will do this with all of my strawberries. So once you have all of the strawberries dipped, we're going to put this in the refrigerator for 30 seconds to allow the coating to set, and then we'll get to decorating. Today, we'll be decorating our strawberries like ghosts and mummies. Okay, we're going to start decorating our strawberries. They've been in the refrigerator for 30 minutes, and you can see that the coating has set nicely. You can kind of touch it with your finger, and it's nice and hard. So, what we're going to make today that I'll show you is mummies and ghosts. So, the first thing I'm going to do is melt down the rest of my white chocolate in the microwave. And again, this is going to be in 30-second increments because if you cook white chocolate or milk chocolate for too long, it can burn and then you can't really use it. Okay, chocolate is ready. To make it look like the strawberries have been wrapped in gauze, we're going to make little diagonal streaks with this chocolate. Okay, and a little bit on the top, so it looks like there's gauze over the strawberry's head. Okay, now that I've got the gauze on my strawberries, I'm gonna put on their eyes. So this is the part where you're gonna use a toothpick, or for this I have kind of like a popsicle stick. I'm just gonna dip this in the chocolate. And it's kind of like putting glue. You're just gonna put a little bit on the eye and just stick it on. Okay, so now we're gonna get started on our ghosts. So similar to the mummies, I'm going to use the white chocolate to glue on our eyeballs. Now I'm gonna melt down my milk chocolate. So for this, I'm just using a little cup, and I don't need very much. Maybe like a quarter cup of chocolate chips should be fine. And I'm gonna put this in the microwave for 30 seconds. Chocolate is just enough to be creamy and smooth. And that's all we need. So with this milk chocolate, we're just gonna make the ghosts' mouths. And for their mouth, we're just gonna do a little dab. And that's it. So keep in mind, if you do mess up on one, as long as that chocolate has been properly set in the refrigerator for 30 seconds, you can just wipe it off with a paper towel and try again. Thank you for joining us for Tasty Tuesday on Sun Devil Fitness Complex YouTube. This is the final product of our spooky strawberries, and make sure to tune in next week on Tuesday at 5 o'clock for lentil sloppy joes. Bye.